is so spicy. Oh my god. देखो तो एक ही चीज से obsession है.
Oh my god.
What do you and your siblings have in common?
The close up ले ले.
बड़ा कर. और हिला हिला तो नहीं. Hey guys, well,
sorry.
Hey guys,
Guys.
welcome back to my channel. I am Rubella and today I am here with Aisha. Aisha is my sister. Everybody knows already because she has featured so many times on my channel. And today we are going to do a fun video. It is a siblings tag and we have our ramen bowl here with us. And we are going to eat this, have our cold coffee and do the siblings tag. We really wanted to do a fun food video. So we thought we'll do this and we wanted to eat ramen since such a long time and this was like perfect time to do the video. So here we are. Okay, so starting off, I have a bunch of questions on the phone. Like I'm just going to randomly scroll through the website, like some websites, and find questions, and we're just going to answer those while we have this yummy ramen. I want to dig into the bowl right now. It looks so good. Okay, so the first question is, who is the older sibling? And the younger sibling. Obviously, I am the older one and she's the younger one. She's 11 years younger to me. The next question is, what do you like about your sibling? Oh, I'm trying to eat with a chopstick, which is going to be a fail, I guess. Okay, what do you like about your sibling?
Oh my god. You're very supportive, I guess. And
क्वेश्चन क्या था, मैं तो भूल ही गई. इतना यम्मी था ये ramen. What do you like? अच्छा, very supportive. And
Yes.
about you? I don't think I like anything.
oh my god, that's so weird.
I think it's the same thing. Like she's really supportive whenever it comes to my, like, whatever it is. Even when I'm working, like when I'm shooting videos and all, she's always there with me to help me with everything. And like you're really very helpful and generous. That's what I like about you. What annoys you the most about your sibling? What annoys me the most is इसको हर 2 मिनट में गुस्सा आ जाता है. वो निकल भी जाता है in the next 2 minutes, but हर 2 मिनट में हर चीज़ में she gets annoyed really fast, like irritated, annoyed, सब कुछ ही बहुत जल्दी हो जाता है. So that is something that annoys me about you. I think I'll have to give up chopsticks and eat with tea.
Annoys me.
जल्दी बता. Okay, so nothing annoys you. So I'm like the perfect sibling.
No, I don't think so. Anything annoys me.
Oh wow.
You
That's
don't
an
give me
achievement.
attention.
Always.
I'm like a biggest attention seeker. In general, I think that no one gives me attention. So, it's
That's
like-
because you want attention.
Yes, because I want attention.
What do you and your siblings have in common?
The love for food. Oh my god.
Seriously, the love for food.
You can see it right here.
I want those training chopsticks, यार. It's so easy to eat with those. इससे मेरे को हो ही नहीं रहा है. But eating ramen with chopsticks is a whole different vibe. Seriously, fork से खाने से वो मज़ा आता ही नहीं है. We have this training chopstick वो जो बहुत easy होता है. अच्छा got this. So sometimes she uses it, sometimes I use it. But having noodles or ramen with chopsticks is such a vibe. Seriously. In which area are you and your sibling the complete opposite? In studies. In studies.
Oh my god.
I love to study and she hates. That's the thing. I really like to learn and study and read and everything. She does not.
Studious.
How often do you argue? Every day तो है ही. उसमें भी 3-4 बार तो हो ही जाता है. नहीं. Who keeps their room clean?
Me. Because I don't use my room.
She uses my room. इसलिए मेरा room full time messy रहता है.
Full day I'll be like sitting on her sofa and just chilling.
Who takes longer to get dressed?
No doubt.
Of course. Who takes longer to do their hair? ऐसे तो I think you, because she likes to straighten her hair. तो you. Who watches more TV? वैसे तो none of us watch TV, but ऐसे series, movies में भी it's her. She watches more.
I love watching series. Oh my god.
I watch more YouTube videos. She's the one who watches series and all of that. एक ना weird obsession क्या था? मतलब if it's just obsession.
Weird मतलब like ऐसा देखो कुछ obsession और मुझे लगता है कितना weird है वो. मतलब
देखो तो एक ही चीज से obsession है.
Oh my god.
What is something you like to do together? Cooking. That's what we like to do together. I like when she's there with me when I'm cooking क्योंकि हर काम उससे करा देती हूँ फिर नाम अपने पे ले लेती हूँ. The next question is, does your sibling have a YouTube channel? Of course, she has a YouTube channel. Post तो बहुत कम करती है. I tell her to post consistently, but I think you've just posted 3 or 4 videos. 4 videos. And she has a YouTube channel. I will leave the link in the description down below. Go follow her.
And
the next
subscribe to my channel.
Yeah. Oh sorry, subscribe. Follow बोला मैंने. What's the one thing you can do that your sibling can't?
Makeup. I think so.
For you and for me, I think is cooking अच्छा food. I think she cooks a lot better than me. मतलब ऐसे बहुत सारे है ना पनीर और ऐसे सब dishes ये बहुत अलग अलग चीजें बना लेती है. I know to cook but I can only cook ऐसे selected few. I think you're better at cooking. So मतलब at your age तो मतलब मैं तो kitchen में ही नहीं जाती थी. I never cooked a single dish. When I was 16, I don't even remember getting in the kitchen. Abhi I've started cooking.
Super spicy. Oh my god.
हाँ, it's super spicy. You added how many chilies? 10 chilies? Or
A tablespoon of.
You switched to the fork.
Yes. 10 chilies, a tablespoon of very spicy chili
वीडियो में तो देख
flakes.
ही लिया होगा आपने.
The chili flakes is so spicy. Like, oh my god, I can't.
What is the last thing you did, like together with your?
Cooking this ramen.
Cooking this ramen. I almost forgot the cold coffee. Yeah. Do you want to read some questions?
Yes.
थोड़े अच्छे क्वेश्चन करो.
What is the funniest childhood memory of your sibling?
उसका childhood start होते मेरा childhood खत्म हो गया था.
अब मुझे इनाया के साथ memories बनाना पड़ेगा.
सच में I don't think we've had any ऐसे childhood memory ऐसे because by the time she was like है ना कितना how old are you? 16 ना?
16.
So I moved to college when I was 20. So by the time she was 10.
I think so.
I don't know.
MBA के time we made a lot of
I don't
memories.
know. I don't remember. I don't remember. ठीक है, next question. Sorry.
Who is more introvert and who is more extrovert? So you are extrovert.
I don't know why everyone thinks I'm an extrovert. I am not. I'm an introvert. I'm not introvert, but what is that? Ambivert. What's that word? I think it's ambivert. I'm an extrovert when I'm with people I know, and with the people I don't know well. I am an introvert. Like I can't make the first move. It's very difficult. ऐसे नहीं कि attitude है या कुछ है. I just cannot make the first move. If मतलब आगे से कोई आके if they talk to me, I can I can talk to them like really well. And once हम लोग friends हो जाए, then I'm an extrovert. But वरना I'm an introvert. So I'm like a mixture of both.
I think so. I'm an introvert. Like
हाँ,
I
she's
just
also.
cannot open up to a lot of people.
But with your
Like-
friends, you are
Extrovert.
Yeah.
Not that much.
But still, हाँ ठीक है.
Like बहुत.
Why am I taking you?
What is the one thing your sibling cannot live without? Don't give the answer like food every time.
Food तो नहीं, food तो है ही. I think skincare.
Yeah, oh my god. My love for skincare.
Makeup भी एक बार का ठीक है यार, but skincare.
Skincare.
I love skincare. I love makeup also. नहीं, both. I can't choose that between the two.
Are you talking about yourself?
Obviously. दोनों को बताना है.
तू मेरा आंसर देगी मैं तेरा
Oh, shit.
और मुझे लगा तू मेरा लाइक हाँ skincare.
तेरा skincare है ना?
हम्म.
हाँ ठीक है, वापस करिए क्वेश्चन.
What is the one thing your sibling cannot live without?
स्किन केयर. फूड तो है ही, वो तो क्वेश्चन में है ही नहीं. बट फूड इज तो मतलब सबका ही प्यार. उसके बाद आई थिंक स्किन केयर है ना. यू लव योर स्किन केयर.
For me, I think so. It's makeup, like for you.
मेकअप स्किन केयर बोथ, बट हाँ मेकअप. आई लव माई मेकअप. आई डोंट लाइक व्हेन एनीवन टचेस माई मेकअप. नो टचिंग. नो नो नो. मतलब मुंह पे नहीं, लाइक द एक्चुअल प्रोडक्ट्स.
What's your sibling's favorite song?
फेवरेट सॉन्ग. बचपन का प्यार मेरा.
Oh my god, are
She
you
is so obsessed. Have you guys heard that on Instagram? Like reels पे बहुत trending है. पूरा दिन गाती रहती है मेरा बचपन का प्यार.
Dude, that's not my favorite song, यार.
Oh God, full time गाती रहती है. ऐसे 2 दिन से तो वही सुनाई दे रहा है. तो what's your favorite song? I don't know.
Like in English, it's मेरे को नाम नहीं है. Song का नाम नहीं याद है. I think so. It's just you and I from like मालिका के उसमें था ना engagement में वो.
अच्छा.
Oh my god, I don't remember it.
ठीक है.
And in Hindi like रुका हो करके. There's a song. Not even know.
I'm not into music. English हो हिंदी हो, मतलब सुना अच्छा लगा. Okay, I don't like listen to a lot of music and remember music and sing and all that. गाना तो हाथ दुख गया चॉपस्टिक से खाते खाते. Seriously.
Who is closest to parents?
I'm more close to my parents. Yes.
My mom is gonna kill me.
But when I was her age, I wasn't that close. Now I've started to open up a lot to mom.
मेरा भी
हर
जब
चीज़ में mom
college,
से
that age जब होगा, I think so I'll be like
I
more
guess.
open up to mom. Who is sensitive?
You. अरे sensitive was the.
Oh हाँ, oh my god.
Very sensitive, very sensitive. उसको एक आ भी बोल दिया ना जाके मतलब रोएगी एक कॉर्नर में बैठ के. इतना हर चीज इतना इफेक्ट होता है. Yeah, so you are the more sensitive.
Who is most talented among all of you? Dude, मैं किस चीज में अच्छी हूँ मेरे को बिल्कुल आइडिया नहीं है. मेकअप में अच्छी है, स्टडीज में अच्छी है, ड्राइंग में अच्छी है.
और मैं oh my god.
मैं किसमें अच्छी हूँ?
अरे बट आई थिंक बिकॉज यू स्मॉल. अभी तू
हाँ,
एक्सप्लोर करेगी तो you'll know कि तेरा टैलेंट कहाँ है. But yeah, मजा आ रहा है यार. I'm seriously not able to concentrate on the questions. This is so good. अरे ऐसा वाला एक फोटो चल एक पोस्ट करना मैं स्क्रीनशॉट ले लूँगी बचेगा खाते हुए पोस्ट करना
करते. You share secrets with each other. हाँ.
वैसे तो कोई सीक्रेट्स
है नहीं, like
ऐसा कुछ
इसका तो मतलब
बहुत ऐसे डीप डार्क सीक्रेट्स तो कुछ है नहीं.
फिलहाल तो नहीं है.
पता नहीं नहीं
Oh my God.
इसके बारे में पता नहीं. मे बी शी इज हाइडिंग समथिंग.
No, I'm not. What is your favorite thing to do during this COVID pandemic? Nice question, है ना?
क्या ही किया है हमने कुकिंग एंड ईटिंग आई गेस. उसके अलावा भी कुछ किया है क्या साथ में भी वी मेक मतलब ऐसे कुकिंग और ईटिंग या फिर टेरेस पे जाके वाचिंग द सनसेट एंड
Oh
हैविंग
my God,
Yeah.
the best thing.
माय गॉड आई नीड सम टिश्यूज. दिस इज सो स्पाइसी. ओ माय गॉड.
But I think so. We both love spicy food.
Yeah, we love spicy food.
Have you ever secretly wished to be another person from anyone in your entire family?
No. हाँ मे बी आई विश टू बी इनाया ऐसे कभी कभी कि कितना अच्छा लाइफ है मस्त खाओ पियो जियो
और मॉम को परेशान करो.
वही ना कुछ इतना मस्त लाइफ आई कुड जस्ट ट्रेड लाइफ विद इनाया. बाकी तो ऐसे ऐसे कुछ नहीं है. आई लाइक व्हाट मतलब आई लाइक माय लाइफ. विद मी
Because studies हो गया तो अभी study नहीं करना है. Like no,
अच्छा.
there's a rook.
ठीक
इसलिए.
Do you have the same dreams and goals? No, I guess. And nobody has the same dreams and goals. ऐसे सब लोगों के dreams बहुत ही अलग होते हैं. And it keeps changing. Mine तो they keep changing. Goals they keep changing every few days. Seriously. तो no. क्या करूँ? What is your siblings' favorite drink? My favorite drink, you should know, yeah. That's something I've been loving so much recently. I think for you, it is cold coffee या फिर कुक्का
हाँ.
और ओरियो मिल्कशेक.
हाँ, Oreo milkshake.
ओरियो मिल्कशेक.
In general, I love Oreo का कुछ भी. Oreo cake, Oreo ice cream, Oreo. For you, I think so. It's कुक्का.
कुक्का हाँ कुक्का भी है and Vietnamese coffee.
Vietnamese. Oh my God, the
I have to
love for
switch it to the
Vietnamese. The love for Vietnamese coffee is like.
But coffee in general, I used to not
हाँ.
drink a lot of coffee पहले.
मैंने
तो बहुत कम टाइम से मतलब बहुत टाइम क्या ही बोल रही हूँ मैं. For the longest time I never had coffee. Like मुझे हमेशा चाय से ही प्यार था. अभी भी चाय से ही प्यार है ऐसे नहीं कि I need चाय in the morning when I wake up, but evening में also I used to drink chai a lot of times. Now I love having coffee. Kukka is thick cold coffee. For those of you guys who don't know, it's thick cold coffee. एकदम thick होता है. And the recipe is there on her channel if you guys want to check out. And also I love Kukka with Crush especially. Crush is chocolate shavings on top and in the bottom ऐसे बहुत सारे chocolate के chunk not chunks but shavings रहते हैं. What is your siblings' biggest fear? About for you, I guess.
I know.
कम marks लाना या फिर नहीं biggest fear is it failure? No, I don't know.
हाँ, I
Biggest
think
fear
so. Like
as in
हाँ.
मतलब ऐसे
You know when it comes like exams and stuff. I'm like.
हाँ वही एग्जाम्स में मतलब बहुत एंजाइटी ऐसे एकदम रो देती है. आई थिंक दैट्स योर बिगेस्ट फियर फॉर नाउ. ऐसे एग्जाम्स एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट्स योर बिगेस्ट फियर. मेरा
It's like कोई भी insect like. And I think so the biggest out of all of them, it's like butterfly.
Yeah. I don't know.
The tiniest and the cutest.
Even when I imagine about insects, I'm like so petrified. I'm so petrified
And that
of insects.
big
like,
cockroaches.
Flying cockroaches I hate moths and I hate butterflies. Oh my god, I hate insects that fly. Which is your sibling's favorite social media platform? I think for her it's Instagram.
Oh my god, I love Instagram. And for you it's like obvious. This YouTube.
YouTube. I love YouTube. consume more content on YouTube,
Hmm.
and I also create content on YouTube, like more content on YouTube. I really like the long form content. I think it's dying with shorts and reels and all of that. This long form content strategy is dying. Yeah, it should not. I really love watching these long videos and relaxing. It's such a good thing to do at the end of the day. Like ऐसे 15-20 मिनट का किसी का वीडियो देख के मस्त डिनर करते करते, oh my god, I love that feeling. And obviously clearly YouTube is something that I love, and our ramen is also complete. मेरा अंडा बचा.
Finish.
So that is it for the video, guys. I hope you guys had a lot of fun. We had so much fun filming
Oh my
this
God.
because especially we were eating and shooting as well.
Yes.
तो बहुत ही मजा आया. I hope you guys enjoyed as well. If you did, then don't forget to smash the like button and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't
Also,
already.
comment below like what is your favorite part, like
In
in
the
the whole video.
And also subscribe to her channel. Go subscribe. I'll see you guys super soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye.